Hi friends, welcome to Unscripted Programming, and in this video we'll learn about some Linux command from which we can check our CPU information or CPU hardware information. So without wasting time, let's start. So CPU information includes details about the processor like architecture, vendor name, model number, speed, and so many things. So our first command is about to get the detail about individual CPU cores, and the command is proc slash CPU info. So we have to write cat space slash proc space slash CPU info, and you can see here it shows the complete information: processor, vendor ID, CPU family, model name, and so many things. So guys, our next command is about to count the number of processing unit in core. So we have to use the command cat slash proc slash CPU info space state line symbol and grep space processor space state line symbol close and space wc space dash hyphen l, and you can see here the number of processing unit. It shows 1. Okay, our next command is about to get the actual number of cores and core id. So we have to type cat slash proc CPU info grep and single quote symbol and core id and single quote symbol close, and you can see here core id shows 0. Okay, our next command is to check or to print the CPU hardware detail in user friendly format, and for this the command is ls CPU, and it prints the all the details in user friendly format. You can easily write so architecture, CPU operating mode, byte order, address size, and so many things. Okay, so guys, our third command is hard info. Hard info is basically is a GTK based GUI tool that generates report about various hardware components, but it can also run from command line only if there is no GUI display available. So we have to print only hard info space state line symbol and less, and you can see here the complete information: summary, operating system, kernel module, complete hardware information of the system. Okay, and coming out from this we have to press Ctrl Z. So our next command is lshw. So this command shows limited information about CPU, and lshw by default show information about various hardware parts, and the class option can be used to pick up information about specific hardware part. So there are two commands or two things: lshw and class command or class option. So we have to print the command sudo lshw space dash class and space processor. and it needs password, so I print or put my password, and you can see here the complete information: product, vendor, physical ID, bus info, width, and capabilities of the CPU. So limited information shows by LSHW. So our fifth command is nprobe, and this command is used for just print out the number of processing unit available in the system. So you have to print only the command nproc, and you can see here number of processing unit is 1. Next command is very important and very useful. The name of the command is DMI decode. So this command displays some information about the CPU, which include the socket type, vendor name, and various flags. So you have to type only DMI decode, and you can see here you have to give the permission: scanning dev mem for entry point. Basically we cannot see the information, it shows only the DMI code, which is 3.2. or we have to use another command, which is sudo DMI decode /t SMB iOS is 2.5%. So you can also use this. Seventh command is CPU UID, and before using this command you have to install the package of CPU UID, and before this you have to type sudo space apt install CPU ID, and from this you can install this package, and after that you will use the CPU ID command. I have installed already, so I use direct the command CPU UID. I use the command directly CPU ID, and this command shows or fetches information about Intel and AMD 86 processor. So you can see here it shows the complete information about the Intel. CPU vendor ID and so many things. Okay, and our last command but not least is inixe, and before using the inixe command you have to also install the package of inixe, and for this you have to simply type sudo apt install inixe. And inixe is basically a script that use other programs to generate as well structure easy to read report about various hardware components on the system. So you have to install this package, and after that you will use the command inixe, and I have installed already, so I use the command inixe space dash and capital C for print out the CPU or processor related information. And you can see here topology, model, bits, type, speed, and so many things. So in today's video it's enough, and if you have any doubt, post your doubt in comment section, and if you are new on this video, subscribe the channel. So stay safe at home and keep practicing.